हाँ जी, बताइए सर। ओके। यस सर। यस सर। ओके 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 सर, दिस इज माय मिस्टेक, दिस इज, देयर इज नो नीड फॉर दिस।
Yeah, service is not required, sir. Not required. Yeah.
Okay, this is also okay. This is also not required. This is also not
Listen,
required.
service value is not coming, na?
Sir, apna when we are talking about the depreciation percentage, na,
Yeah.
just divide 1 divided by useful life into 100.
Yeah, that's
Correct?
all. Yeah.
No, suppose it is coming 10%. Suppose. तो अपना अपना
Okay.
suppose the value of machine is 100 rupees.
Hmm.
Over here, we will apply it, and the salvage value is 5. No, here the salvage value is important. If the salvage value is 10%, then what is the depreciable amount for 100 rupees?
100 minus 10 upon 9. Uh,
No, sir. It is very simple, sir. For अपना 100 rupees.
yeah, 90, 90, 90, 90,
90.
90.
So
Yeah, correct.
okay, when we are calculating the अपना depreciable amount, over there we need the salvage value percentage or salvage value. When we are
Yeah.
calculating the percentage
Yes.
depreciation per year, there is no need for the salvage value. Is it clear?
Salvage value. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct, sir. Yes, agreed.
Only Mr. Srinivas is the old candidate. तो श्रीनिवास जी कब करा था आपने ये अपना पहले? सर, व्हेन डिड यू हैड अपना डन योर अपना फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग 50 आवर्स? ओके, तो अपना विद विच आरवीओ यू आर अपना एसोसिएटेड? अच्छा, पीवीआई। My suggestion is अपना take 3-4 more lectures on this अपना your case studies. Sir, अपना actually अपना in this अपना 10 hours I won't be able to do अपना more than अपना 8 or 9 case studies. Sir, case studies are for 10 hours.
Today only,
One
sir.
and a half hour.
Today, na, sir,
Half.
case. Yeah.
Sorry.
Case studies today only, na? But next 3 days there will no case study.
Sir, अपना case study is for 10 hours.
Okay.
Yesterday I had taken 1.5 hours. Today is 8.5 hours.
So today is the last. Okay, sir. Okay.
But Mr. Sharma, I have a small request. Would you mind sharing all these studies along with the correct answer so that we can
Yes, sir.
practice it
Yes, sir.
later?
My mobile number is my mobile number is always there.
Okay.
If you have any question, you can contact me.
Okay. Okay.
That WhatsApp number, sir. Huh?
WhatsApp number, or even you can call me, sir. I don't have any issue.
And that WhatsApp number we can call also. Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
Then WhatsApp number we can call also, na? No issue.
Yes, sir. You can call also.
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Thank you, sir.
तो श्रीनिवास जी, आपने कब करा था पहला ट्रेनिंग इसका 50 आवर्स का? Yes, sir. Okay, अच्छा, in June, I think, na? June, July. Okay, I had also attended the first training of that time only. It was 28th May to I think so, some June, 7th June. Okay.
Sir, can you tell me how many persons are selected every year to pass the exam? Just for
Only
information.
2%.
Only 2%, eh? In Yeah, that I've seen in website. Yeah, correct.
Yes, 440 people are there for plant and machinery, but this exam is not that tough, because we are not going with the proper preparation, isn't it? No, 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 no. Sir, अपना that's what I'm saying ना. Be strong in study. In case study, it is 100% you can score 20 marks.
That is the best strategy. 20 marks
This is
have to get.
sir, अपना you see, I had attempted only I think 74 questions.
Hmm. Strategy. Yeah.
I- no, sir. I had मतलब अपना second time in second attempt I had attempted I think 70 or 72 questions and I scored 64.25 marks.
Out of 90, whatever you are sure that that is right, you attend only that thing.
हाँ,
Otherwise, leave it.
मतलब अपना अपना I attempted only मतलब you should only attempt maximum 70 questions.
Yeah.
This is
Not
enough.
more than. Yes, correct, sir.
हाँ, otherwise if you are sure अपना you can go.
Otherwise, 70 is enough. Yeah.
Sir, you do it, sir. अपना I think अपना I have अपना your made the case studies very simple, I think. Mm-hmm. अरे sir, it if you know the answers ना, the answers the time is अपना nearly अपना 60 minutes. In 60 minutes you can complete everything.
If you know the answer, na, then tick means hardly 5 seconds or 6 seconds. We know the answer.
Sir, shall we? Sir,
Yeah, if we know the answer, correct answer, then we can write immediately. Otherwise, we leave it. I think so.
चलो सर start करें.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The last
अच्छा,
question.
अपना we have
It's the last
seen.
question.
हाँ,
So, is
please
there any
please.
time limit after completing this 50 hours course? Is there any time limit within which we have to take the exam?
Sir, I think this 50-hour training is valid for 3 years. I guess.
Okay.
Anytime we can take the exam. Huh?
Within 3 years, I think you have to take the exam.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
According to my
Dipankar sir, there is one correction for this validity of 50 hours. Sir, there is no such validity for 3 years, basically, right now.
Okay. Right, sir.
After clearing the exam within 3 years, you need to register with IBBI. Earlier, the training validity for 3 years, which is revoked by IBBI, sir. Now you can take exam after 3 years also, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
चलो जी.
Sir, one doubt I wanted to ask, like, can we do this evaluation along with another job? If we are
No, sir, you cannot do that, sir.
Okay.
Job person cannot do this type of.
चलो sir, I will come to these questions at the end of the session. Can we start?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. अपना in company act there अपना one word is coming NESD. This means no extra shift depreciation. Suppose in the plant we have a machinery shop and it is running for the 2 shifts. My voice is audible to all of you?
Yes.
Yeah,
clear,
clear, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
We have a machine shop and it is being run for the 2 shifts. Okay, the useful life of the machine shop is 15 years. 15 years when we use it for a single shift. Now calculate the useful life. if shop is being used for 2 shifts, then we shall be dividing it by 1.5. Suppose 15 years is the useful life, then it's use for 2 shifts, the useful life will be 10 years. This means we are reducing the useful life by 50%. Is it clear?
Okay, for 2 shifts. What
50%
about
we are
3
adding,
shifts?
sir. 50% adding.
What about 3 shifts? If some machines are running for 3
Uh,
shifts?
For 3 shifts, you have to reduce 100%. Is it clear? This means, suppose we have a solar panel on the, it is also run 24 hours, correct? But in this case, we will not follow any your extra depreciation.
My submission is that solar cell. Do I intervene? Please, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, sir.
What I said, the solar cells work only when there's solar insolation coming. When there's solar sunshine. So you can say it cannot be more than 10 or 12 hours a day. We cannot say that it is working in the night time when there's no sun.
Sir, this is just an example, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
yes.
We can do a petrochemical plant, or we can use the road also.
Or steel plant. Blast furnace.
Okay, sir, I will do it over here. Glass furnace अच्छा रहेगा.
हाँ. Not glass, blast. BLAST. Blast furnace. Once this starts, it has to run at least for 5, 6, 7 years continuously.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. This principle is, I hope clear to you. If the life is 15 years for single shift, if any shop is being run for 2 shifts, then the life will be reduced to half. मतलब 50%. 15 divided by 1.5, correct? And if the machine is being run for 3 shifts, then the useful life shall be reduced to the half. This is 7.5 years. Okay. Yes, sir.
Very
Sir, this is on the pro rata basis. 100 days, if it is a single shift, you calculate for the single shift. If for 200 days it is running for the double shift, you calculate 200 days for the double shift. That's all.
Running years will change like that only.
How do you calculate shift? Normal shift is 8 hours. Okay, but nowadays many industries are running 12 hours a shift.
No, sir. We are calculating it for 8 hours.
8 hours as per Companies Act.
Yes, sir. This point is clear. No, sir. Sir, for the purpose of case studies for clear the IBBI, this is wrong. Okay, sir. Should I come to the question?
Sir, I just want to understand. Now, the point here is, if you buy a new machine whose useful life is 15 years, and if a factory runs that machine for 2 shifts, then we should calculate the useful life as 15 divided by 1.5.
Yes, sir.
10. Useful life will be 10.
Yeah, and if another factory runs that same new machine for 3 shifts, then the useful life will be 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5 years. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
The depreciation will change like that only then.
Okay, sir.
I think this is a very basic principle. I think this is clear. You need to memorize NESD. NESD is no extra SIP depreciation.
Okay, sir.
Should I come on the question?
Yeah.
Question, Mr. Sharma.
Dipankar sir, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that Word document, whatever you published just now.
People are less, I think. All have not joined. No? Who is missing over here? Any guess? अरे प्रवीण जी, मिस्टर प्रवीण।
हाँ जी सर, मैं अभी ग्रुप में बोलता हूँ सर, जस्ट गिव मी 5 मिनट।
हाँ जी, तो पूरे पार्टिसिपेंट पूरा कर लीजिए, फिर बताइएगा मेरे को आप।
मैं करता हूँ सर।
Okay. Just a minute, sir. Who is this? Oh, just a minute. Now we will take these questions by 6 o'clock, sir. Your questions, I will try to answer all the questions.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.